If you want to slice your model with one axis radially, you can use this mode, radial slice. As you can see, this is radial slice. And you can change in a slice distribution axis 1, the slice of this axis, and the radial count. Here you can control the radial count on your axis. It's very simple. You know notch factor, notch angle, and relief type. I explained it before in the previous lesson. A slice direction, it's like other. You can control the radial. This is on center axis of that radial. You can click it, and then you can rotate the axis of the radial here. You can control it and create an interesting artwork. Click in a screen, empty space, and then you can rotate in 2 axes. Very simple. Or you can directly add angle here and hit enter. And you can create interesting artwork with that. And I explained modifier form, assembly steps, and get plans for export. And that's it. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.